Welcome to Regency Park. My name is Dana Ryder. I'm the Director of Sales here. Thank you so much for being with us today. I'd like to introduce you Dee Neubauer and Colette Cook, who is our Lifestyle Director. We're going to take a few minutes and just review some of the wonderful things about Regency Park that makes us Vero Beach's finest luxury community. So I'm just going to ask a few questions. Please join along. Hi Dee, what initially attracted you to Regency Park of Vero Beach?
Reports from friends that were already here. I have toured several times. It's a fabulous, beautiful community. You can't help but see it and want to fall in love with it.
That's great. Thank you so much. Colette, tell us a little bit about our company's core values.
My title is Director for Life Enrichment, which is enhancing and enriching the lives for our residents. And our core values just fit perfectly with going with our residents for enhancing and enriching them. And having good moral, ethical values with all of our associates and working with them and having a great relationship really means a lot.
Thanks, Colette. And since you're so involved with the activities that we do, how would you describe our residents here at Regency Park?
Oh, I would say they're very active with all the activities and outings that we do here at Regency Park.
Great, thank you so much. Dee?
Yeah.
We've had some recent, just giant strides in our dining services.
Oh, my.
Please tell me about your impression of our dining services.
Well, first of all, I'm on a food committee, so that tells you that I'm very prejudiced towards it already. But actually, I will put our fine dining rooms against any of the restaurants here in town. I was at, well, I can't name the names, Friday and Saturday night this week, and I'll tell you, we stand up very, very high. It's an amazing 4-course evening. Outstanding.
That is great to know. Thank you so much. Tell me about your level of satisfaction and your happiness here.
Smartest decision I ever made, Dana. I was going through a very difficult period in my life. I lived alone, I had the responsibility of a home, and it just became overwhelming.
Would you recommend Regency Park to others who are looking for a solution similar to yours, or maybe looking to improve their lifestyle?
My friends are tired of listening to me.
So would you say the quality of your life has improved since moving to Regency Park?
Oh yes, oh yes. There's a safety issue. There's the idea that I feel perfectly secure here, the beauty of the surroundings, and most of all, the friendliest people I have ever met in my entire life. You can't walk down a hall as a newcomer, not knowing a soul, without everyone stopping and saying hello.
Thank you very much. So there you have it, Regency Park. Wonderful amenities, even more wonderful residents that live here, fantastic dining opportunities, and an opportunity to meet friendly, fun faces and improve the quality of your life. Please come by. Call 772-770-1228 to speak with me and set up a tour. Thank you.